Sweater weather is almost here, and that means cozy layers, hot drinks, and the perfect excuse to make something handmade. Today, we're turning a plain sweatshirt into a cute patchwork design with the help of 3 creative mediums that make sewing easier, cleaner, and way more fun. We'll be using instant applique, appliqué transfer sheet, and stretch guard, plus Konfetti 50-weight cotton thread for that smooth, matte finish that makes the design look professional. Print your design on the Appliqué Transfer Sheet. For letters that stand out, make them at least 3 inches tall. Choose any word, phrase, or shape you want for your sweatshirt. This is your project, so you have the creative freedom to make it as bold, subtle, or personal as you like. Place that sheet onto the sticky side of the instant applique roll. Next, pick your fabric and a confetti thread color that matches. We're sewing with an 80-12 Microtex needle, which gives clean, bold stitches on almost any fabric. Rough cut your letters, then stick them to the wrong side of your fabric. Cut them neatly to shape, and repeat for each one. Now, flip your sweatshirt inside out. Sweatshirt fabric can stretch, which can cause puckering. That's why we're adding stretch guard to the inside of the area where our letters will go. Cut it to size, press it in place, and that's it, instant stability. Flip the sweatshirt right side out. Sew a die line first. This is your placement guide. Peel the backing from the instant applique and place your letters exactly where you want them. Drop in your letters, tack them down, and then go over them with your decorative stitch. That confetti thread really shines here with no puckering, no distortion, just smooth, even stitches. And there you have it, a cozy, custom sweatshirt that's as durable as it is eye-catching. All thanks to the right tools, the right prep, and the right thread.
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great tips, tricks, and tutorials. You can also sign up for our weekly newsletter to get the first look at free projects, sewing tips, and inspiring tutorials delivered right to your inbox. Check out the description box below to sign up, as well as find a list of stores and retailers that you can purchase WonderFil threads from in your country.